Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of viewing blocked app events list on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and visiting the Facebook website. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Click on Settings. Step 5. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down and click on Blocking. Step 7. Next to Block Events Invites, click on the Edit button. Step 8. Now click on See Your Blocked List. By following these simple steps, you can easily view the blocked app events list on Facebook. This allows you to manage your blocked events and invites effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.